everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make these delicious cream cheese sugar cookies that are so easy anyone can do it. They're yummy and have just enough sweetness for everyone's taste buds. Let's get started! Here are the ingredients that you will need to make the cookie bars. 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of butter softened, 8 ounces of cream cheese softened, 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, whisk together the all-purpose flour and the salt. Set aside. In the bowl of a stand mixer, whip together the softened butter and the softened cream cheese until it is light and fluffy. A hand mixer can also be used. Add in the sugar and then mix again until combined. Next, you will add the egg, vanilla extract, and almond extract, and mix once again. Pour in the flour and salt mixture and beat together until combined. If your mixer has a lid, I recommend using it at this time. Get your 9x13 pan ready. For these cookie bars, I like to use a metal jelly roll pan. Place a sheet of parchment paper over it, letting it hang over the sides of the pan. Drop the cookie dough onto the pan and then lightly sprinkle it with flour. Place another sheet of parchment paper over the dough and press the cookie dough into an even layer in the pan. Once it is level, remove the parchment paper and bake the cookie bars at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. You will know they are done when the edges begin to brown slightly. When they are done baking, place the pan on a cooling rack and allow the cookie bars to cool completely. Now it's time for the frosting. Here is a list of ingredients you'll need. 1/2 cup of butter softened, 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 to 2 tablespoons of heavy cream or milk, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Begin by adding the softened butter to the bowl of a stand mixer and whip it until it is light and fluffy. Add the vanilla, the powdered sugar, salt, and 1 tablespoon of heavy cream to the butter. Beat until combined, scraping the sides of the bowl as necessary. If you want, you can add a few drops of food coloring at this time. Make sure to mix thoroughly to ensure that the color is even. When the sugar cookie bars have cooled, it's time to add the frosting. Use a spatula to smooth the frosting over the cookie bars. Now is the time to add sprinkles if desired. Refrigerate the cookie bars for about 20 minutes to allow the frosting to firm up. Then cut them into squares. As you can see, these cookie bars are pretty simple to make. They are definitely moist and chewy and have a little bit of tanginess from the cream cheese in the dough that is complemented by the sweet vanilla buttercream frosting. You can find the full recipe for these cookies in the description, as well as a link to the printable version. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already for more easy kid-approved recipes, and visit mommymouseclubhouse.com. See you next time!